タイトル The Olympic to the World. Hello, my name is Keiwa Sato. I'm from Saitama Prefecture. Celebrities from Saitama Prefecture include George Tokoro and Kasuga from Odori. My hobby is weight training. My favorite part of the body to train is chest training. My favorite chest exercise is the bench press. I am a first year university student and attend university on weekdays. The faculty belongs to the Department of Social and Economic Studies, Faculty of Economics. The reason I choose the Olympics because it is a multi-event competition in which athletes from each country are selected to compete, attracting worldwide attention. But I think there are many people who just watch the Olympics. So I wanted to combine the apparel of the Olympics. The following 6 videos will be explaining. The first is about the history of the Olympics. The second point is about the history of the Olympics. The second point is about the world medal rankings. The third question is how many medals Japan has won compared to the rest of the world. The fourth is about world famous sports. The fifth point is about the event in which Japan is strong. The last 6th point is a summary. That concludes today's video. See you.